Nothing can be more frustrating than when you go to sit down and watch TV and your remote control doesn't work. In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Westinghouse remote control if it isn't working. We are going to try a few different methods to try and solve your problem and get it back up and working again. The first thing that I want you to try is to remove the batteries from the remote control completely. Then go over to your TV and unplug the TV from the wall outlet and wait 60 seconds. Now don't be impatient here, wait the whole 60 seconds. This is what we call a hard reset of your TV. Then plug the TV back in and put the batteries back in the remote control and try it and see if this works. Hopefully that works. If not, let's go on to the next method. Take the batteries out of the remote control again, and as crazy as this sounds, go through and push every button on the remote control a few times. Sometimes dirt and dust get built up in these buttons, and in doing this, it helps to free up those buttons in case they get stuck and cause the remote control to malfunction. Hopefully this works. If not, then try replacing the batteries for a fresh set of new ones. Now you probably already tried this, but it's a good reminder to anyone who hasn't. If replacing the batteries doesn't work, then the last thing that you might have to do is to replace your remote control. I'll put links in the description down below of where you can get a new remote or maybe new batteries. Well, hopefully this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and hit a thumbs up on this. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I'd love to have you back in the next one. Take care.